What is going on, guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be taking a look at another Razer keyboard. This is the Razer Blackwidow V3 Pro wireless keyboard. Now it is a top-of-the-line gaming keyboard that offers a premium gaming experience combined with the convenience of a wireless connection. It is designed for serious gamers who demand the best in performance and customization. One of the standout features of the Blackwidow series is that it has a proprietary green mechanical switch system. These switches provide a tactile and responsive experience with a satisfying click sound, delivering a really good gaming experience. The keyboard also has a full end key rollover and a polling rate of 1000 Hz, ensuring that every keystroke is registered and processed quickly. But the Blackwidow V3 Pro isn't just about gaming performance. It also has customizable Chroma lighting, which allows you to choose from up to 16.8 million colors and a variety of lighting effects to create a personalized lighting experience. You can also sync your lighting with other Razer Chroma enabled devices using the Razer Chroma software, creating a cohesive look across your setup. In addition to its gaming capabilities, the Blackwidow V3 Pro also has practical features for everyday use. It has a dedicated media control panel, a gaming mode option to disable the Windows key, and a built-in wrist rest for comfort. It also comes with a variety of macro keys which you can program to perform specific actions or combinations of actions with a single keystroke. The Blackwidow V3 Pro is also built to last with a military-grade aluminum construction that can withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions, and with a detachable magnetic cable, it's easy to transport and store. But perhaps the biggest advantage of the Blackwidow V3 Pro is that it is a wireless device. It connects wirelessly using a 2.4 GHz connection, which offers a stable and reliable connection with a range of up to 10 meters. The keyboard also has built-in Bluetooth, which allows you to connect to devices that support Bluetooth, such as laptops and smartphones. You can easily switch between the 2.4 GHz wireless connection by simply pressing the dedicated Bluetooth button on the keyboard. And with a battery life of up to 200 hours on a single charge, you can game wirelessly for hours on end. And if you need to charge the keyboard, you can do so while using it with the included USB-C to USB-A cable. Now overall, the Razer Blackwidow V3 Pro is a top quality gaming keyboard that offers the convenience of wireless connectivity, a smooth and responsive gaming experience, customizable lighting options, and practical features for everyday use. It is a high quality keyboard that is built to last and is perfect for serious gamers who want the best in performance and customization. But that is pretty much all I've got for you guys in this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again real soon.